So I started talking about this idea of how being in nature bends time or expands time, whatever you want to perceive. It does something to time. And all the great spiritual teachers, Ram Dass, Eckhart Tolle, who really push be here now, be in the present moment, connect with presence. These are all great things, but usually hard for folks, right? So, nature's hack. It's a cheat in the best way because you drop into it and it kind of forces you to be here now, be in the present moment. I mean, you could get on your phone and like start scrolling. I'm not saying that, like, you know, but when you align with the energy and the vibe of nature, everything slows way down. And for me, that's like daily medicine. It's crucial because otherwise, the matrix and all the urgency culture, just distractions, all of it, it can just, kidnap me and take me hostage without me even realizing it sometimes. So, this is my daily dose. And you all know I'm a big fan of day turning to night. I think that if you have sleep disturbance or insomnia, realigning your circadian rhythm with Mother Nature is a great natural medicine if you have the time or the ability. We're not talking about a lot of time, we're just talking about time it takes to get dark and to get dusky.